I'm Brian Elkins, and this is the task list software that I created to motivate my son to complete chores and other assignments. I will demonstrate that from a fresh Adobe Air install, which is what this was created in. So I'm going to create a parent account, which is the default account, so that I can have an administrator. Now this I could use for my own tasks, but what I really want to demonstrate is how that works with a child user. So I'm going to create a child account. I could create a parent account if I wanted that child to have the ability to assign tasks to himself. Or I could have two accounts, one where I assign and one that he has power over for himself. But now I'm going to create a child account. And now that I've created both of those accounts, I'm going to act like I'm going to log in, wrong password, to see that I have that safeguard. I'm logging in as myself, which shows me my tasks, which are nothing, but I'm going to log in as that child user so that I can assign tasks to his account. I'm going to create a parent task of clean your room. I'm going to assign a monetary reward of 2 bits to that and create that. It randomly selects a color to assign to that task. And if I create a child task and assign that parent, then it uses the same color, a little bit lighter, indents it so that you can see that that is related to that parent task. If I add another couple of child tasks to that, pick up toys. Oh, forgot to assign the parent on that one, so it treated it as a normal task. So I'm going to give it a parent, and it corrects the mistake. Add one more to that, and with that task I'm going to say put books away. Have that one as a child as well. Now this is what I have assigned to him, so I'm going to log in as the child user. And the only option that I have is to approve those. It gives it a yellow check showing that it is child approved. And when all of the subtasks are child approved, then the parent task is child approved as well. So now I'm going to log back in as the parent. And this is my task list, so I'm going to log in as the child. And I can see that there are some things that can be approved here. If I approve the parent task, then that approves all of the child tasks. If I have my filter, I can see that it filters out the ones that I don't want to see. Now I can take this task here and I can archive that, since it is oh wait, one thing I forgot to point out first. You can see that the money earned, that reward, now comes down here. This totals all of the rewards, all the monetary rewards that are earned, so you can attach allowance to that. If I want to create another task and assign a different kind of reward to that, then it shows up as a different type of reward. Now as the parent, I'm just going to go straight in and change the status on that one to parent approved. And you can see that I've got another reward that is earned right there. And I can filter to see what those rewards would be. I can also take that task and I can archive that so that I don't see it anymore and it doesn't show up in my titles or in my totals. And that allows me to archive those once the reward has been given and been dealt with. That is the Family Task List software. I hope it's useful to anyone that wants to use it and motivating, and I enjoyed making that with Adobe Air on the Robot Legs framework. Thanks.